Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact orifice plate specs, beta ratio, bore, and flange class, because mismatch ruins accuracy. Once you isolate and depressurize the line, drain the section and verify no residual flow, then install the plate with the flow arrow pointing downstream. Make sure the gasket is correct and the plate is concentric in the flange. Misalignment skews results. Tighten bolts in a star pattern to avoid flange distortion. After installation, open bleed valves to check for leaks before proceeding. Once the plate is secure, connect the impulse lines to the differential pressure transmitter using the specified tap locations so the pressure drop reads correctly. You must fill and purge the impulse lines to remove air. Trapped gas causes errors. Configure transmitter range and span to cover the expected differential pressure without saturating the sensor. Then compute the discharge coefficient using the beta ratio and Reynolds number corrections, because the raw delta P only becomes flow after conversion. Make sure to log temperature and pressure for later correction. You finish by verifying measured flow against a known reference or historical baseline and logging the results with timestamps. If readings are unstable, check for vibration, noisy signals, or blocked impulse taps, clean or recut them. Trapped debris is a common culprit. Make sure to perform a zero check on the transmitter and schedule recalibration as required. If calibration drift persists, inspect the plate for wear or eccentricity. One key troubleshooting tip: if the differential reads low,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.